How is everybody doing, and welcome back to the channel. Did not get anything pretty much done yesterday. It was a hot day and I had work to do pretty much all day long, so wasn't able to do an upload. Tonight I just got a couple of things that I want to do, kind of discuss, talk about, get you guys' opinion on what do you think I should do. Right now I'm gonna get my truck turned around and get it up here kind of in the center, get this trailer out of the way. Dad is coming to get that. Sorry, I'm laughing at myself because it seems like a lot. Sometimes, just like right there, I will go through and actually edit that out, and I don't know, I lost count one time on how many times I actually cut out when I said so anyway, like I was saying, get the truck turned around, get it pulled up here, get this trailer out of the way. Dad is gonna come pick it up. He's gonna put my trailer over there. Pretty much done with it for the week. I do have this there to work on, and Evolution Saw. If you guys have not watched that video, watch that video. And if you're in the market to buy a chop saw, that's what you want right there. It is a phenomenal tool. You can get the Rage 2 from like Home Depot, Lowe's. I don't know if Lowe's has it in store. Home Depot has it in stock. In the descriptions of the video, you can go right to Amazon and buy them if you so choose. So right now, I want to grab my truck, turn it around, and get that taken care of. Show you a couple of things that I'm thinking, what I'm not thinking, and go from there. Alright, some of you may be wondering what the heck I'm taking my tires off for again, but I do have a reason for it. I think I'm going to pull my center caps out and run without those for a while. I wanted to get your guys' opinion and see what you thought. Do you like center caps? Do you not like center caps? Hit me up in the description or in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna have a before and after picture here, or a shot here in just a few minutes to see what you think. And also, for the life of me, I cannot remember how my brakes looked as far as the front when I did my ball joints on the passenger side. I still have not been able to have time to do the driver's side ball joints yet, but I will get those done. Also check out my universals, all look good and tight. There's no play in nose, so pretty happy there. But front brakes, I'm gonna have to get a light. The front pad looks really good. Let me go grab a light, and we'll just look at it that way as I throw it on the floor. All right. You can see right there, the front pad looks really good. There's quite a bit of pad left on the outside, but the inside is the same way. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but there's quite a bit of pad left on the inside too. So this is the driver's side. I'll go over and check the passenger side too, just to see, get a comparison. Same way, there's more than half left on there, and Inside also, there's just about the same, so we're good there. Next thing I want to know, also just in the comments, let me know. Undercarriage of my truck is really good. If you looked at some of my previous videos, you know last year I crowned it, which I am going to do again. But do you think it's necessary by anything looking under here? And do you guys remember, sorry, I'm gonna go off subject a little bit here. Do you remember when I just put these on not too long ago at all. And look at that. I don't remember what brand they are, but I do remember where they purchased them from. So that's gonna go to work with me tomorrow, and I'm gonna stop by this place, and that's pretty much junk. I'd have to look back at my videos and see when I put these on, but that's the driver's side. Passenger side doesn't look too bad. That's pretty much shit right there, excuse me, crap right there as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, I got some paint here. It matches my wheels. It's a satin black, just like my wheels. So what I'm gonna do is clean this up a little bit, degrease it, and paint the hubs up front and in the rear. Gonna degrease that, paint them up, and make them look good and run without center caps for a while. So let me know what you think. Get this stuff cleaned up. Just gonna hit it with a wire wheel because I don't know how long I'm gonna leave them off. And I don't know. Something else I'm really disgusted by too is just inferior products. I know I'm all over the place tonight, but you know, my wife and son got these for me for Father's Day in 17, and this is what they look like already. Now I know they're a cheaper set from like Amazon or something like that, but I think they should last longer. I don't know. I know True Spike, I'm gonna try and see what I can do to get a set of their lug nuts. I like the way their setup is because you put the lug on and then you screw the spike on afterwards. I like that a lot better, so you can use a standard socket. But I do think they recommend you not using a impact on theirs. So, you know, I did use an impact on these several times, taking them on and off. There's some back ones. So, you know, this may be partly to do with my fault too. So, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna get some things cleaned up and get these back on there. With the center caps. Or no center caps. Alright, there's a before and after. Let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know which one you like better. I'm not really certain. I'm kind of almost leaning towards the center caps, but you know, I just did this, so it's just something a little bit new, something a little bit different. So I don't know what I like. I don't know. I don't know. I know I don't like the rusty lug nuts, or spike lug nuts. I know that. So I do need to see about doing something about those. Have some parts coming for under the hood. So hopefully those will be here before too long. I can get those put on. Other than that, I think that's pretty much all I have. You guys have a wonderful evening, and hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already done so, become part of the family. Hit that bell notification so you're notified anytime I upload a video. And until next time, we'll talk to you guys later on. Bye-bye.